I didn't have any issues with your parking. Actually, that was really good.
Okay.
You said you got close to that car, but you fixed it. You didn't leave the car there.
Yeah.
You made sure that your passenger could get out, right?
Yeah.
All right. So running commentary is what I'm doing for you, and this is something I learned in Toronto. They don't do this here in Sudbury. I wish they would, because it's an excellent way to teach, to learn. You're watching somebody else.
Yeah.
And I'm verbalizing everything I'm doing for you.
Okay.
Okay, so just adjusting my seat and my mirrors here. You're pretty tall, so I don't think you really need this, but just in case you do, there's
just
always
to
an
move
adjustment here.
Yeah.
Okay. Just in case you do, so it doesn't like cut into your neck. Okay, my lights are on, everything's good. And I'm going to reverse. And before I back up, I want to look around just to make sure signal right, and I'm going to keep the wheels straight
until.
And I keep looking around. I'm not using that. See, I'm looking around.
So you back up until your mirrors meet the front of the car, or?
I'm going to verbalize that.
Okay.
So the front left corner of your bumper, bring it to his bumper there.
Okay.
Because too many people do this. Watch. And I constantly have to remind them.
Yeah.
They do this. They put it in reverse here, and when they start turning, they're looking. They're not. Oh, and I'm like, okay, stop.
Yeah, because they're gonna hit the car.
Right. Now you suggested the mirror.
Yeah.
Let's see if that works. So.
I feel like it might cut it close now that I'm thinking about it.
Like right about here, maybe.
I was thinking like the mirror towards the ends of the car.
Okay. All right. So the mirror to the bumper?
Bumper, right.
Okay. Right about here?
Maybe like a little bit more.
Yeah.
I want to say like around that.
Here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, that's too close.
Yeah, I can see that now.
Okay. Because the examiner will be looking at that, eh?
Yeah, which makes sense.
Okay, and she's getting a bit too close. So wait until your front bumper gets to about his front bumper. So bumper to bumper, basically, like right about here.
And then you crank it.
And notice I'm cranking my neck. I'm always looking around.
Might have a sore neck when you're done, but...
I'd rather have a sore neck than
scratch
no
some...
neck.
Yeah, exactly.
No neck, a neck in the grave, right?
Yeah, exactly.